Sanbonan. Good morning. Okay. I'm just going to differentiate between ukufemba, doing a reading, and the ukufemba because most of people seems to be confused about those two. Ukusukuma ukuhlola is whereby you see you are working so hard, but the effort that you put in your work, it's not telling with inzuzo yakho. And then we are like there's lots of things that are happening spiritually that you can't understand. Ezo moya, you've tried everything above your means. Hayi manje uyabona ukuthi kusinda kuyehlela la. You need to go and consult. You need to go and check moya what is happening. Remember, a person is a spiritual being. Whether you are mzalwane, whether you feel you are holier than a person, or isangoma, whether you feel you are holier than a person or spiritualist njengami, oxhumana noNkulunkulu direct akutshela indaba zakho. A person is a spiritual being. A person is a spirit. A person is water and nature in one, and a spirit. Right. That's where you go and do a reading. Hey, mkhulu, igama lami uthembisile ehlatshwayo. Ngitshela into engize ngayo la. And then healer will start checking. Okay, what's wrong with this person? And then the healer is going to say, oh, okay, this is what you're suffering from. This is how we're going to eradicate the problems that are blocking. Many a times you see there's darkness, there's blockages. Bese healer iyakutshela ukuthi I see 1 2 3. Healer ikutshele the things that you already know, because ma uyohlola you go for confirmation. All right. Ukufemba it's like exorcism, whereby a healer using his or her energy will be pulling everything that is troubling you. Let's say uyagula, the healer is able to pull that from you. Uthi ma usukuma lapho instantly usukume usupholile. That's the difference between the two. Agere. Say the difference between a reading and a ukufemba. Kufembeza. You smell, you sniff. It's sniffing. Utlosa all the things from a person via your energy, and they do go away. Ake ngithi awavuthe ngiyabonga mkhulu. Nibe nosuku oluhle namhlanje. Ngiyabonga.